Hi there, this is Barry Hoey with the Hoey team, eXp Realty, Southwest Florida. I'm here at Port of the Islands Marina, and many don't realise this facility that we have here in Collier County. You know, people just think of Naples, but this is Port of the Islands, as I mentioned, and we're here at the marina. You're very close here to Thousand Islands. This area, they started building it a number of years ago, and then it kind of slowed down a little bit, but there's a lot of construction here again. We have the fire station, there's a store here, and we have a hotel up here. So it's, there's a lot of, the prices, you get a lot for your money here in comparison to Naples and other areas. So reach out to us if you have anyone interested in this area. hoeyteam.net brings you to our website. There's a lot of different type properties in here in this community, and it's located between Everglades City and Naples. And as I mentioned, it's in Collier County here in Southwest Florida. But I just thought I'd do this quick video and just show you some of the amenities. You have your boat ramp there, and some beautiful boats here. I remember not that long ago coming here to listen to the Ben Allen band. That's probably a number of years ago now, but anyway, this is Barry Hoey with the Hoey team here in Southwest Florida, and I'm going to put some information about the area here if you go look down in the description. Alrighty, chat soon, bye for now.